Alright guys, so we're in a push button Camry. I'm going to run through this harness with you real quick. This one's obviously the OBD2 connector. This one plugs in right here under the dash, just the T-harness. Pop this one out, put ours in there. The next one we got is your headlight switch harness, which is this little guy right here. Goes right in line. And then we have the yellow wire, so everything but the Corolla and the RAV4, you're going to connect our little adapter harness. So just match up the yellow to the yellow, and this will be a plug and play right back up in here behind the BCM. And I'll show you where that's at, using the T3 adapter, which comes in the T3 kit. So if you guys have the TL1 kit, this is it right here. The RAV4 and the Corolla, this is actually a hardwire connection, so you'll have the adapters in with that. And I'll show you what area that goes. So we got the OEM connector mated to our T-harness. Take the other end of it, pop it right up in here. It's clicked, and then you're gonna zip tie right down the factory loom here. Same thing on the OBD2 connector. We're gonna plug in our mating connector to the OEM connector, and then go ahead, take the other end of ours, feed it up back around, and pop it right back in here. All right, this is easy to get to, but really hard to show you on the camera. So the BCM is located right behind the dash here. There's no need to pull this off. The easiest way to do this is find the emergency brake, go straight above it, and I'm gonna show you this, but it's gonna be really hard to find that connector, I think. So this is the metal emergency bracket right here. This is the BCM, the back of it, and you can see that connector up there. Which is the 10-pin connector. You're gonna plug our T-harness in and plug it right back into that. All right guys, so programming the module is super easy. First, make sure these 2-pin connectors are plugged in. This is where you would disconnect and plug in our TL3 adapter, which would be on some of the other vehicles. Refer to the install guide. First, go ahead and make sure the toggle switch is in the off position. Plug in the red and the blue connectors to the module. So we're gonna hold the button, flip the toggle switch on. This light's gonna turn orange. When it does, release the button, it'll turn red. And now just turn the ignition on. So you're gonna tap the start stop button on the dash 2 times and then watch this light. So 1, 2, flashes a couple times, turn solid green. It may not flash, you guys are looking for the solid green and then off. So we're done here. And now we'll close the door. All right guys, so we got the 2010 Camry finished up. So on the remote here, you're gonna push lock, lock, lock. Give it a few seconds. You'll get the confirmation beep. Your ignition will fire up, and you're running. The car's all back together. It will turn off when you open the door, as with all push button Toyota Lexus vehicles. I can feel the AC blowing, so just make sure your air conditioner or heater is set to where you want it to kick on before you get out of the vehicle. It remains locked. You guys can come out and push the unlock button and get in, restart it, and drive away.